Buying a home is an expensive endeavor. It's not uncommon for a home buyer with minimal down payments of 3 to 5%, plus settlement expenses being 4 to 6%, to need upwards of 10% of the sales price for their cash to close. And with the average sales price, according to Redfin, in November of 2023 being $395,000 across the US, it's quite a bit of money. It's $40,000. So thankfully, there are programs like USDA financing. So here's all you need to know about USDA. Now, 100% financing, so no down payment. The seller can pay up to 6% towards your settlement expenses. That's based on the sales price or the appraised value, whichever is less. Gift funds are allowed from non-household family members, and it's possible for you to receive a refund at closing for anything you paid for in advance, typically the earnest money deposit, the appraisal fee, the inspection fees. If you paid for those out of your own bank account, there's enough seller contribution left over, you can receive a refund. Now let's talk about what you can buy with USDA. Many are in the misconception that they're going to be limited to the outskirts of the counties, and it's going to be too far of a commute simply to go to work or just go to the grocery store. They don't want to be that far out, but actually it's based on population size, and there's a map search on USDA's website. You can look at eligible areas or even enter an address to verify that's eligible, and you might be surprised at how many areas are eligible for USDA financing. There are income limits, household income limits, and there's a search feature on USDA's website that allows you to look at income limits or even enter your income information to see if you are above or below those income limits based on your household size. There are loan limits as well that range from $377,000 to $970,000, so 100% financing up to $970,000, and the seller can pay settlement expenses. How awesome is that? Now, if you already own a home, you could still utilize USDA financing. That was a more recent change as of 2022, but if that current home doesn't meet your need, maybe you have a job relocation, you've had an increase in family size, or maybe you're going through a divorce, you could be eligible to use USDA financing again. If you find a property in a USDA eligible area, but hey, it needs work, it needs updates, well, there's USDA renovation to cover 100% of the purchase price and 100% of the renovation costs. And lastly, if you do buy with USDA and rates drop, you can take advantage of the USDA Streamline Assist program. Great way to save money. You have to have 12 months of on-time payments. There's no appraisal required. You do need to show income, unlike say the FHA Streamline or VA Streamline programs where you don't show income, because simply to make sure that you are not over the USDA income limit. But what a great way to save money. And if you already utilize USDA to purchase your current home, keep an eye on rates, because an easy way to save money is with that Streamline Assist program. I'll be placing links below in the description for the map search, for the income search, for the loan limit search. If you have any questions about USDA financing, you want to connect with me, click on the link tree in my bio or below in the description.